Bwana Nyaga ni long serving na ni mwarimu na ni mtu aijekene muno especially antu baria kana nthakaire ciana kurukira njarene ciawe ja mwarimu acokae ja nkubuhai cukuru ya Itiabo nene neomba kwithirwo ikimenyeka. Karibu sana mutegeri wa WAATHO TV kire Gikaro na ntuko na ru nkureterete Mr. Nyaga tumbikoza tukimumenya rito baba nkubu nkumenyate mugeni kiribwi muno lakini karibu sana Bwana Nyaga Gikaro, tunataka kukujua tukubanga ntuko yo muno.
Asante. Asante sana Karemi Kaunti.
Yes.
Ndio karibisha kipindi hiki yako very nice.
Thank you.
Aligekuwa mbita wa Nicholas Nyaga. Nicholas Nyaga. Kwetu ni Athiru Rujini. But specifically in Tunene ward. That is Igembe North. Igembe Central, that is where Athiru Rujini is. Tu ane Athiru Rujini dureno tu katu Mwankene. Watu munda yetu Tunene ward in Igembe North ni boundary ya Igembe Central na Igembe North. Na huu niko kwa baba na mami. But currently uni kwa ni Igembe Central maidha tu Jia ward. Kuibu kwa kontu ile ta biashara na no mushi wako yuri.
Okay.
Yes. So ito bibita wa Nyaga. My mother umete Mwembe. Dharakanithi na kwita wa Kiriani. I can remember a village called Kiria village. Au nio mami okwa maremo umete. Eta wa MERU rugi. So that I'm the second born. Iketo bibita wa Nyaga. Nonto nchiari.
From Rutero mami.
Yes.
No mindi karari to Nyaga inari kuma endegembe.
Nankiara Gembe.
So kureleta na
darara Mwembe inyantuwe mazo kijege Mwembe.
So gojiaro gukura kuthoma.
Yes, nchiari yau Athiru. Actually Laran dispensary. Nionda chiari ro. Lakini data primary school Athiru Rujini primary school. Ndathithe kirio gambere 19 CP 1979. Ankwenda kuwa wono ndu bomba gutethia mwana onge out there.
Yes.
Kenda menya kwina hope all the time. Ndikuthia kirio gaka CP the first time.
Yes.
Ndawa muwire mburito sana. I failed. Ora twari tutano oryo tukiuma nyumba kuira resorts kamani gawete. My father ambira kijana rudi
kwa darasa.
Rudi kwa darasa. Ndachogera ndabwithia kirio ringi 1980. Very unfortunately ndawa ringi. Ona ndariti wone. Ndawa ringi. And my father to max to ndawete the second time to tathongi nontu ntikiomba kuona in school in good school in Kenya.
Ulikuwa chini kabisa.
Ulikuwa chini. Ndongerete to max well lakini tutabu. Bado so my father etonchwira shukuru Igembe boys. Awe tonchwira shukuru Igembe boys kwa tuka Igembe boys na two streams. In Harambee stream na government stream. Aided stream and aided stream. The only difference is tofauti ya RMB. Yari tofauti yari fees. Government stream the fees was subsidized. Aditoi baada fees kidogo.
Yes.
Lakini ba Harambee ni baada fees ile kidogo. Wono murungu inga bahati bana daringo bahati ndatonya Harambee stream. Arimo ni the same, mauku ni the same. Everything ndatonya. Ndatonya na to max to ako to ni ho. But after time yero kamani gasano kama chano kero murito. Determination ile area huu itare mchezo. And I form 1, my brother form 2. No to meet family yari na mureo na ngana sawa sweet kwari na changamoto nyingi muno nontu my father bari be kwathukana na our mother so twakarite all alone for quite a long time so tuonete changamoto indi 2020 as we were growing up. So ndera my brother tukare tinake muteyura twira murungu tukwenda atuibwe buru twira murungu atutethie tuthome tu succeed na kithomo nontu ibyo byaturita thinene
me otekengi
ikia tumyo nda kwira kwa baba ni athiru na kwa mairithatu nontu ba kithomo so ginya mwana uromba gwitha tutegerete igwitikia kuigua kariku
kau
ndathoma kana twathoma ndathia form 4 ngĩra resort my father ije kamani gaka kawĩte rĩngĩ tu automatically a perennial failure ndĩ gwĩana resort ciakwa ndamunengera ndamwĩra ibwana ngũrũgĩte gwĩta A level form 5 ambĩra we tafuta mtu ingine udanganye no of course mujari nkorona kagũrĩ mũgai ũgĩtĩtha nĩ ũma maya ngonge wa tango East African Standard na ariau don tongai am analyze result amurai kamani kana combination ya tari ka bwana wita form 5 no kumenya mzee awirwe sana ndireta A level iko boys weta iko boys kithomo kiuke form 6 gitari muchetho twathoma subject ithatu aki
nachio
na itariu pass mark weta university points chari 10 points ai kana shua yu kuma ndatonya form 5 ndakinyithinya point 5 ni ithatu inya we na tuthomete tukaigua tukiongo kwenda watuka ira ndawatete nyingi kabisa ni 9 points mocks cha form 6
history
9 points
kunya 10 euro tamekinya
ndi jukuru ndi level ato kuthithia kerio ke form 6 ndakuringira point 12
ekanawe
point 12 watu kande na ginya yire guru I can donate
you can continue
no donate na ngenderea ndaira resort ndaigiria mzee ringi bwana mzee no akuthwani tunye form 6 kawa eta kama mindset kare ndetambira we kijana ndamwira mzee nkurugite wita university ndina ginya point yire uru ira chendekana agini ambira we naona sasa oro ukura no mjanja ugari wa mjanja kwa ndongaje ringi ikitu sitamini fortunately again as faith to David my uncle na ariau amutari amwira kamani singi
nyaka kano kaka enya point
no kaya ni no kuma ndeta KU ndeta KU kuthithia kintu gitwa Bachelor of Education WAATHO majoring in Kiswahili and CRA one kuire manda goriaria tarota de mwarimu one single day.
In your whole time growing up?
As I was growing up, I wanted to become a policeman or an army officer.
Hey.
Okay, fine. You told me that I am Bachelor of Education.
Yes.
Tekwenda. I actually wanted to do law at the university. Lakini law ni enda point 14 witia. No, to minimum 10. Arts, the Bachelor of Arts, ABCD. Lakini education ni 12 and above. So nande dawa nande tiandithia tu education tu. Murungu ante de kinya degree kwa ante tonya police kana ame tu no to kinya de form 4 de yinda uma de tonya kwa police dadria form 6 de tonya kwa police as we do David kwa tu kan kuendelea dadria bi dadria degree kwa we are very lucky no to oma wadira university o with a teaching practice. Lakini mbele step out of the university compound iko na TSC desk at the university ara weta ko yuria ni shukuru ri kwenda kuandikwa Are you getting the point?
Yes, I get you.
So unindandikite shukura kwenda kwandikwa ndathie teaching practice yakwa. Choice number 1 borerure. Choice number 2 borerure. Choice number 3 borerure. That's how determined I was. I didn't want to be very, very close home, and I didn't want to be very, very far away from home. So that teaching practice borerure. Kodiria teaching practice borerure. I just walked into the polling the post office.
Yes.
They will give a appointment. And the Kimbi. There were serious discipline challenges. Incidentally, I am also a graduate of the National Youth Service. Either you to the university after, before you go to the university,
you could go to
right up university paramilitary training. So they could I had that in my heart, and I mean that it was in line with what I want. Being the entire and Jesse discipline force.
Yes.
So as fair to David, they could teaching practice here. I had to be very soft with the boys who are very indisciplined. Teaching practice. But there was serious discipline challenges as I was doing my teaching practice. To go and I agree, but we are going to be MWARIMU. Utonyangeti newe borere udheriu. Ke yekira ndaje mani yago kyara yakimiru ndake gitira kundi kya.
Wambaniri yagemwira.
Wambaniri yabo. Benda kinyawe ta strike. Ai mbodi yakara the uni discipline master.
Ono ora ure ta chukuru
Ai. Ile kazi tulifanya hapo.
Ndakaji ya straight line.
Ile kazi tulifanya hapo ni Mungu tu anajua. Now the discipline, I was a household name in the entire Nyambene district that time.
Yes.
I remember when I became a principal in 2001. Again, as fair to David, Ochukuru era ndetero jorongoete. Neon ndetere kwa principal. I was the principal there for 8 years. Again, the boys.
Yes.
So they were the boys as the principal. It was the tour, my principals go to schools around the Nyambene district. And we went to a certain school and I deep now Mikindori now. So when we were introducing ourselves, Commander Nicholas Nyaga, the principal again the boys, Tomareto. So basically, I was a household name.
Yes.
When it came to discipline, because Tabagua, Chuguru, Uri, that Chamanina to Murito any school.
What Tabagua, Chuguru, and Auto Koto,
Pitana.
Kila mtu akuja mtaratara.
So it was very nice at Bureruri. At the Gembe Boys, I inherited my former school. Chugurira ya Mikre who I am. But in that Chokaku, it is at its lowest.
Chini.
Actually, Shukuru, again, the boys carry Kuingwa. No, can tear on the public health officer. The public health officer declared unfit for human habitation.
Are you serious?
Oh, yes. There are serious discipline issues. Discipline in Arimu. Arimu. Teaching staff.
Yes.
So that was very, very challenging moment for me. But I thank God, Muntuweta wa Mheshimiwa Kalweo.
Former minister.
Yes. In Moromba na Murungu sana because he really supported me as the area MP.
Yes.
When I was the principal, he supported me to bring that school back to shape. Na I kuma Mheshimiwa Medhika Linturi, the former CS.
Yes.
He also supported me.
I'm telling you
the truth, that school is what it is because of Medhika Linturi.
I know today. His passion for that school.
Yes. So they could transfer that time to High School in 2009.
Yes.
It was to Medhika, ora tukadithia Old Boys Association. Yeah, because I knew the importance of Old Boys Association in development of our school. So mithika na organize it to launch launch that association Upper Hill Public Service Upper Hill. Mithika did so many former students. Naginyawa is an old boy of the school.
Yes, he is.
Yes, I think when I was in Form 4, he was in Form 1 or something.
Hey. I have to say he was your mono.
He was my mono. Nande, a very successful launch, Old Boys Association by Gembe Boys. Another launch, Maua chapter, Maua Basin Hotel, those days. Now, out of that initiative, they to reorganize a major fundraising. That time in Darede, they were in Kuwait school. And Betambira, what you ordered them, you on there. In your work, I thank God because at Nkobo High School, I got a lot of support from Mweshimiwa Kiraito when he was the MP. And the chairman of the board, Madam Mudamia, who actually told me, I want you to get money from the school, 50,000 shillings, tutakutuma na 50,000 shillings to Igembe Boys. Kwa hiyo harambee, hiyo shule yako. And I was able to take about 200,000 shillings to that school during that era. Edita agina Mother Karua, agina David Koech, agina Cyrus Jirongo. I want to show you the foundation, the importance ya Old Boys came and Shukuru. So we were able to do that. Then when I went to Nkubu High School, I borrowed that idea also, ya Old Boys Association. Tukapeleka pale. At the Gembe Boys, the mean score are 4.2. And I thank God because we were able to raise that one to almost 7 by the time I was leaving. Almost 7. With very serious infrastructure changes, non-discipline for 8 years until 9 strike in that school.
Wow.
Courtesy, of course, of the support of the political leadership. If even Mweshimiwa Agare was about school, even if you thought like in Jesus, he wouldn't move. Wow. At Nkobo High School, I inherited a mean score of 7.8. Na shukuru ina challenges ya discipline too. Lakini very good teachers, lakini alitoa bari na tumanto. But again, the discipline was not an issue to me. I thought Arimo Bambere to Muchemani on the first meeting. Rigana Mwarimu with Mrs. Kimani. Ambere Mwalimu, we know background here, discipline. Anababa tuwa terebo you teach. Yeah. Kusanya watoto kutoka vijijini huko nondo, they were roaming all over the place. Street chankobo, na umuguru, na so madam Ambere Mwarimu tuwa tere anaba tuwa itana. Tulete hao watoto tu kwa class, we will teach them. Those teachers are amazing. Yes. Arimo Bankobo, very, very good teachers. Dabare tere aritwa. We reached a mean score of 9.2, which has never been broken to date. Courtesy of to date. No, yes. Even I think last year, I think it was 7.8. I mean, it was slightly lower than where I found it last year. That is a tragedy. But let me say this. And go several times, the importance of political support. Kigukura kwa kithomo kana shukuru. Nonto Mweshimiwa akarea o support. I want to repeat, even if you thought like Jesus, you won't move. Now, boys, okay, fine. After Kiraito, the others who came who refused to support me. But at Nande, Binafsibura and Tribal Bigotry, and Tribal Bigotry. Nakamutigania, where the school yao, and Ambi to Mantuto Pus. So, Siasa Zikaanza hapo. That's how I found my way to Kadiani. Kadiani, Gikamba. Yes. There with Kadiani, I found even our situation. Where the MP, where the area politicians, they don't care. What they care about is how they can do business with the school. Kwendia marigu at very exorbitant price, kwendia nganyama, kwendia anko. Anto kinja murungu abate the debe na into vinge udheri. Iba kwendia tu into tu weta kwendo ninga kurujeru ara.
No, that's unfortunate.
Twareta ithine nthuku sana. Finally I got interdicted.
Interdicted?
Oh yes.
When you wake Kathiani?
Kathiani I got interdicted. Na of course nilikuwa nimejipanga na inda hiyo tufitina tumoto umete Nkubu to crossi mountains and valleys to ginya na au to ambithira nao, so I got interdicted. Not because of any mistake I had made. Then to again go change remedial teaching, so it's like I was the only in principal mbere Kenya go change remedial teaching.
That was the reason.
That was the reason. Na ndi baro ege yano ndonete mantu kuraya indari de kwa na wakili okwa. Wakili okwa no Danstan Omari. Na ndenge ngero baro aga interdiction dipenji imwe.
Mutumira.
Ambira de mutumira na mutumira. The next day TSC bari na baro ekunjibu for the one pages.
Why?
No, we were. To cut the long story short.
Yes.
To record only once. Nanze machari atumere chief legal officer. Amwera go and negotiate for an out of court settlement. Buwe muntu we na ijugurire kwa kwenda wigwa.
Ape aikwe nao.
Aikwe nao mantu ya dada.
Yathire.
Still I've taught for 32 years or something. And I imagine there are so many unemployed young teachers out there. Don't know what I've done all these years for schools. What I'm going back to do, ndabera onire odeshukuru mpaka Kenya.
Ari.
Era ngeta tumbwe ne kwa. Secondly, odeshukuru e vacant.
Ete na mwalimu.
Kama ndo mbiki ambeta kundistabilize mwalimu ngi utheri. Onire enough is enough. Give me my dues, yes, I go home to Eshimiane
peacefully.
And me, I have no problem because I have to thank the Teacher Service Commission for giving me an opportunity not to serve the commission, not to serve the commission, to serve the Kenyan child.
Miaka 32.
Miaka 32.
Ningani.
Naguwa. So wambirisa so mnene andika kabarua nini itawa voluntary retirement. Ndandika kabarua voluntary retirement. Wantema interview yako. And as I'm seated here, yes, I'm a very happy pensioner. Pension yako irango ata every 22.
Every month.
Yo jadi tingi on a cooperative bank yotonya. Very comfortably doing my own things, yes, or even traveling. I love road trips. So you see me everywhere taking pictures. Akaje marisabiti nara ngako everywhere. Yeah.
Mwalimu kira kitumite kinyango chwa muno, it is your legacy kire borerure na Nkubu muno Nkubu kwa karete Nkubu for long
8 years.
8 years,
yeah, na again 8 years
no chamanete na rito. I'm sure so many of them, yes. In fact there's a day I was asking Martin kama ero ya rome baumete Nkubu na meathene yake. There's a day I was asking Martin that on to either chamani ya mtu Nkubu, yes, kana meathene, yes, which means no iterengo genjega kagita kara maybe wa chamani na rito baku. How do you feel?
I feel so nice, very excited. And I'll tell you, kauteri kange ako. Ke the ostrich bistro ramba wa.
Mai da tu. Kombera manzo ya hoteli ka une ja na.
Oh na tu. Hoteli we kwa. My best customers ni my former students.
Wow.
Be ya to akarante to kare story. Tukanywa chovi. Abarendo kuona nilikuwa nawaambia ndatatu chovi to ivango na mkojo wa mende. Unakunywa mkojo wa mende badala ufanye kazi kwa bidii. Uendelee ndio maana. Ngamera wenda wenda strike no ndo mudhari mtakuja kugundua hii ni chakula ya kondoo na nguruwe.
Yes.
Musome vizuri, wete na mbere withire irio bure wethige kithani umurungu ruitha gano. So basically, wherever I go, they come to visit me. So many of them, they are abroad. They call me.
Wow.
They call me every time. By the way, when boy Brian Kiboy China, this morning. So it really excites me. I feel very nice. They remind me bandi kanya orandengana na boranda batandika
display.
Kwa kinyomo ambere mwalimu wale hata wale shukuru nke yaona ganyange kwa kinyasumu. Lakini narwo muntu naje na uwe.
the value of discipline. Mwalimu,
but I thank God because they are very, very successful.
Wow.
Taban Kobo, you see Kobo to Ikagia University, success rate are over 95%. You can imagine 95% graduate at the university. Almost all the years. Where are those children? They are very, 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 very successful children. Very successful. Mheshimiwa Kili is my former student. I taught him at Burerure. He's my very good friend.
Baba ingi odheri.
But Steve Baundagdari, Steve Mawe.
Maore.
Odegora na launch that initiative.
Yes, bistro, yes.
Yeah. So we are very, very good friends because I contributed a lot in what.
Yes.
Because ngenda kuminja metho mwana nakwa ya MERU ngachia ntira igwa
ukara mucharo yoku
mucharo yoke tamwari mumonda muririe bure ndamure ko kumiri mwana akurugira u agera MERU no mugiri atwa ambera kamuthorenge magiri ndamura magiri aya kiwa ya tuira twinthe.
Mwarimu, before nkurekeria, I would really want to know your comment on the current education sector.
Yes.
Kuna crisis check petition, kuna mantu mengi manaja kuendelea na kidomo. Of course, things have changed.
Yes.
Maybe you go from where you sit to where a lot of experience in the education sector. Maoni jaku jaiku.
Mwanzo kabisa only I really pity my colleagues who are serving. Because they are undergoing kurukira changamoto nyingi sana. Bena stress serious. Because I'm also doing business. I do business in schools.
Yes.
And batekuomba kurea. Are you getting the point?
Yes, I get.
They owe you so much, so much. They can't batiomba kurea. Ana ibabuleta kuthithia practicals cia kigerio thaa ikatwithite kuthithia final exam KCSE ni kwenda a lot of money chakura chemicals ile,
of course,
because that's what we do.
Yes.
But na ndio ategera mwarimu arimu na bomea bawatirwo mateka
Galeti ne barauga bare ari baka transfer.
There are those serious problems. So now the problem where it is, another problem with is Karimi. Ni ngwetere kuchanganya siasa na critical sectors of the economy. Education, teu, health, teu, security, teu. Naguiwa. Na kwa tuweka mbecha teka iteo. Ni misallocation. Naguiwa. Kwa tuweka na the education sector it requires so much billions. Na bunga kananga na chio. Yeta no. Na ndi dimochi aringwa mbecha uche ito sueshore. Na the kinya tatuiba kuanga verification of documents anga imbi. Ni ukora mtupu. Ni kumbai time tu. Kumbai time bila chia yukirwe si udhora nurenge isoke. Isoke. Are you getting the point?
Yes.
Mbecha chiareo lakini yachoke yetu aringe kenda chita goya no nangi. So that's the biggest problem, and we are on a free fall.
Yes.
Tuko kwa mteremko.
Tunamia gravity.
Yato ni gravity to go with the laws of gravity.
Mwalimu
Very, very unfortunate.
Yes.
Na ntiko mekitha kinya antu ibakira chiaro, ibakira murungu because manya no actually kinya mitandao ndi watiri antu ibareke kuria bisi no ndu bisi bakuria. No na bisi ndora to ari ma principal wana baba principal dai bera iba kuria bisi. Na ndi ari bisi ba ingire.
Je bara bate.
Mundontorene to ni mwanasiasa eta kwa mpesa. Ibisi eta kuria. Watu ibare bisima. Boba kona.
Thank you Mwalimu. Thank you ndo bakona kaja. Thank you so much for coming through. Ibaka sana mutegeri wa MERU TV tigadi kora bichi. That is the take home today. Ibaka sana mutegeri wa MERU TV jokari mubango jage karororo gonorwa Mr. Nyaga former principal Burerure na Kinyankobo nkumenya ritoba we mono bukenete sana baraponde bampandika era Facebook rururu gendo rwa Mr. Nyaga ibaka sana jokari mubango jage karo nimbeto karimithiro na kagita gakega. Thank you Mwalimu. Thank you. Tomara que corra bici.